The 2021 Maserati Ghibli protected with Starline Pro. So with this system, if we have the key, we try and start it, it's just not enough. So you're going to have to go through a third-party authorization. For this, we have a code for now. You can also choose to have your phone in the car, not do a code, and it will just fire up. Or you put your push sequence in, you hear a disarm tone, you can drive away. When you turn the car off, it activates within 10 seconds, and if someone grabbed this key when you pulled up at home, went to steal your vehicle, it's just not going to start. So one more time, if we try and start it now, the vehicle's immobilised, the engine doesn't fire up. If we keep trying, obviously it's not going to start at all. So if it's us, what we do, we turn the vehicle off if we've made a mistake. When we come to it, attempt to start, pop our code in, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, wait for a tone, and then we can start. This code can be a combination totally unique to the customer, minimum 3 presses to a maximum of 21 on any of the supported buttons. To get one of these fitted, our number's 0208 212 7393. Thanks for watching.